So here we are at the table where I do some of them. So here are some of the ones I've made. I have made this one, and it's like really cool. If you notice, it looks really nice. I've made some hearts. I tried 2 different techniques for these, and I figured out it looks better like this than it does like this, but different people have different opinions. Sad thing is, I like rainbow. It's like my favorite color, but I'm not usually not fond of what rainbow means nowadays, but I do like rainbow. It's a pretty color, so just had to say that because it is rainbow. So anyways, I've made a card. This one's hard to make because zigzags, it takes a lot of time. This is when I didn't know how to do it. So I put masking tape on and I drew the colors, but I did black next, and so it wasn't straight. And then I learned a smarter technique is here. So here's a blank black. So the smart technique is paint it black and then put masking tape on. And for 2 reasons. Then the tape doesn't rip when you pull it back up, and then also then you don't have to paint black afterwards. You only have to use these colors. And you can use paint. I'm using oil pastels, literally doesn't matter, any type, and using some tape. And I've already, for the sake of this video, already painted these black. It's just black paint. I think I used acrylic paint, but and you can cut it whatever size you want, do whatever you want. I made a heart. I fold a piece of paper in half, do a heart, cut it out, and then I trace the heart onto a piece of paper so it doesn't have a fold down the middle. But we're gonna try. So I'm gonna move all this aside. Oh, here's another design I did. It could be either like this or like this. Either way, it's super pretty. Sorry, I have to smush them because if I don't smush them, they curve really bad. So to start off, I'm gonna get a piece of paper towel. I used this yesterday. I'm gonna put it over so that I can top it. So this is my favorite part, the reveal. You have to do the ones you did last, otherwise it'll like rip more, like it'll be harder. I don't know how to explain it, but so you hold it and you pull. Also, like tape looks pretty actually. Also, yeah, it looks a little weird because there's nothing here. Part of me wants to go back and fix it, but it'll be very difficult to do. So, anyways, it turned out a little weird. You have to blow it, get some of these unwanted things off, like this blue. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Super simple. You can do any designs. These ones are harder to do. You have to put tape up and down, and then you have to cut your tape to make sure that your tape is straight. But it's pretty easy, and then afterwards you just grab your acrylics, put them back exactly where, oh wait, that's not where I found it. exactly where you found them so that the next person doesn't have to spend hours trying to find the one they're looking for. And that's how to make a super easy like card or anything. You can use paint, whatever. Simple basics. I hope you enjoy it.